Hello, my name is Janet M. Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your pantyhose. As you can see, our pantyhose come in a variety of packages, which may not be convenient for us to store in our drawers. So, basically what I do is I remove them from the packet, like so, and then I lay them flat, and then I carefully roll them, like so. And then I place them in this drawer organizer, which I place in a drawer, or you can place this on a shelf, so they are convenient and accessible, and you don't have to worry about finding them in the morning as you're trying to get out the door. I am Janet M. Taylor, and I've just shown you how to fold your pantyhose.